guys, welcome to California City. Let's have a great day with the dirt bikes. Let's go. We're gonna take it slow to begin with. We've never been here. Angelia's gonna we're probably gonna putt around inside this little area, the staging area. There's like other people over there. I think they're gonna probably head off probably soon. We're letting the bikes warm up for a quick second, just get them up and running. And then we're gonna just go real nice and slow, figure out what we're gonna do. But I'm like really excited. There's just so many areas that we can't explore, but I think objective number one is just to get the foundations back of just riding. You might want to try to sit on it. Make sure your foot can even click the gears, because it is hard for me. I was trying to go into second gear. I was like, oh my god, my foot. So we spent about a good, I don't know how long, doing some practice with Angelia. I'm gonna take the bike, I'm gonna try to head down this way and just see what's up. I'm gonna do a little exploring, so switch you guys over to the GoPro now. You're recording? Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully it's not too muffled. So I just took a drive. I definitely fell twice. It is true. You gotta use your rear brake a lot more. I'm like using my front brake and I literally fell twice. So I have to get I have to get better at that, but I'm not hurt or anything like that. I did fall, but I'm not hurt. But man, it's beautiful outside. Look at this. So cool. I just went for a drive by myself real quick just to see a little bit more and explore a little bit more. I'm gonna head back in a minute, but man, there's so much stuff to do. Alright guys, it's time to head back. Let's see if I remember how to fully get back. I think I do, but you know, I mean, I have pretty good direction. I gotta go back that way. I go down and back and we'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright. Dude, I'm so exhausted. Can you hear me? I am dead. I need water. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so tired. So the area I found was cool. It was like a little bit of a lake type of thing. I think because of when the weather, when the hurricane happened, this area got hit with rain too. So there was like water over there. I definitely fell twice. I high-sided. For sure, my front brake, I gotta be careful. Use the rear brake more. I think that we're both finding it's harder to drive with the boots on. Like our boots are huge. They're supposed to be for protection, but you can't really like use your ankle very much. So even shifting the gears, it's hard. This guy's over there getting it. But I wish I would have found this place earlier or like done more research on it, because this place is literally legit. I would have brought the Jeep out here. Now I know we're about to pack up, but I think we're gonna take the truck and try to drive to that other area real quick. I wanna see if I can find it. On my way back here, I got a little bit turned around. I mean, I knew the general direction to go into, but like all the roads, they kind of like intertwine with each other. So just figuring out the right one to take to get back over here. I actually winded up going a little bit further down. Then I was like, wait, nope. That's where we first came from. So I had to turn back. Then I found the road that we were on. I came back here. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm definitely tired. This is a workout, but probably the funnest time I've ever had off-roading doing anything. I haven't ridden a motorcycle like that in a while, so that was nice to be able to do. Guys, I can't even show you what happened to my leg. Not from the motorcycling, but from packing up everything. The ramp for the motorcycle was still down. I walked right into it. My leg is cut to the white meat. Thank God I have a wife who's a nurse.
Hey. These band-aids are big enough.
Are these band-aids? How old are these band-aids?
I don't know. I'm sorry if it hurts, but...
You wanna know the grossest thing? It felt like chicken skin.
We're leaving a part of you here.
It's like chicken skin. It's so gross. Packed up. Now it's time for us. I think we're gonna do a little exploring inside the truck. Let's see what the truck has to offer. Oh. These are big roads. Yeah. I found the spot where we were. It was literally just right there. So now, we're on our way back out. I think so, yeah. Right. Made it back to the main